Yeah, hi there. In this quick lab, we are going to cover creating a virtual machine for Windows. So this lab is GSP093. So we'll just hit on the start lab to let it begin. This is again is of 1 credit, so it's not free. So let me just click on the start lab. We get this option. Open it in incognito window. I'm just closing the previous ones which are opened. Okay, and using another account, and this is the username and password that we get here. That's the username. Just make sure that you enter the same user and password which is presented at the time of creation of this lab. Next, accept. Now go to the lab instructions. This is all what we have done till so far. That is, we have created it. Now we'll go to navigation menu, compute engine, and we are going to create a VM. Okay, so we go to this navigation menu, click here, go to the compute section. Under the compute section, you get compute engine. Click on this VM instances. This will open up a page which will allow us to create a new VM. So so this is what we get now. Okay, let's say the instance name is instance 1, region is US Central 1A. I'm not changing anything for it. Let it be default. General purpose machine type from E22, I'm changing it to N1. Do we have N1? Oh, probably, where is that? Sorry, in the series N1. And machine type is N1 standard 1. This is as per the lab. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to change this boot disk. Click on this change button. Here we have to select because we want Windows machine, so we're selecting Windows server. And let's find out which version they want. This is Windows Server 2012 R2 data center. Windows Server 2012 R2 data center core. I guess this one. This it's 50 GB the disk, so if you want, you can change the size of the GB to 50 GB. Yeah, and click on the select button. And what else they are selecting? That's it. And then we are creating the VM. Let it get created. So once the VM is created, we see this green tick mark. Let's click here and check your progress. Tick mark cake means this task is accomplished successfully. You should see 100%. Now we can do some other activities also, even though the task, whichever the task was there, has been accomplished. So let's quickly go through it. We'll click on this cloud shell. Let's activate the cloud shell, and it will ask us to continue. Let's wait for it. Okay, changing the text size to medium. Let's go to the lab. It says, okay, gcloud auth list. This is for the user account with which we are connected. Account is correct, and gcloud config list project. So from the configuration, we want to check what is the project. The project is also correct. This is the same project that you see here at the top. So we in the so what it means in this Cloud Shell, we are connected to the correct project. Now to test the status of a Windows startup server, we can just simply copy this command and execute it. Gcloud compute instances get serial port output and instance one. That is the name of the VM instance. Now to RDP into this Windows server, we have to set the password first. So we are going to clear this screen and gcloud compute reset Windows password, and our instance is instance 1. So we'll give the name of the instance. Zone is US Central 1A and user is admin. Would you like to set or reset the password? Yes. So this is the password that it has given. Let's copy it. And then now we can RDP into the machine. So we can click here RDP, download the RDP file. We click here on this RDP file, connect, more choices. We using a different account. Our account is admin. Password is the password that we have copied from here. If you see, this is the password. We can just show it also. This is the matching. Now we can click OK. Yes. And now we are going to connect to this Windows machine as an admin, if you can see, yeah. So it means we are able to create a virtual machine which is based on this Windows operating system. We are able to connect to it as an admin. And I think that's it for this particular lab. Yep. So let's end it.